Unlock your potential and ace the CFA Level 3 exam with the CFA Level 3 Study Guide 2025 by Zain Academy. This comprehensive resource features 2,729 questioning mind study points, 1,800 true-false questions with explanations, 779 fill-in-the-blank questions with answers, and 799 one-word answer questions, all meticulously designed to help you pass the CFA exam in just 3 months. The study guide is available in an integrated printable PDF format, optimized for all screen sizes, and you will enjoy unlimited access with no time or device restrictions. Additionally, gain insights from CFA Level 3 learning videos on Zain Academy's YouTube channel and benefit from personal support and guidance from Muhammad Zain through WhatsApp or email. Ask unlimited questions and receive instant responses. Elevate your preparation by subscribing to the CFA Level 3 Question Bank 2025, which includes challenging questions with higher IQ level and in-depth explanations. With Zain Academy's success ratio of 90% for global candidates, you're in great hands. Read reviews and ratings on Google and enhance your skills and income. Subscribe to the CFA Level 3 Study Guide 2025 on the Zain Academy website today and take the next step toward achieving your financial goals.